Hey guys, this is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create animated ads using Ad Hero. If you haven't already, you can check my video review on Ad Hero to learn more about its pros and cons. So in this video I'm going to show you how I created these two simple animated ads. The one on the left has a simple animation, and the one on the right has a YouTube video embedded in it, and it's playing, as you can see. Okay, so I'm in Ad Hero right now, logged in, and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to create a new campaign, a new ad, you can click this Create Campaign button, or click on this Create New Link. So I'm going to do that. And then in here, you essentially just give the campaign a name. I'm going to name it Ad Hero Demo. And in this next box, you just enter the URL of the landing page where you want your visitors to go when they click the ad, and then click Next. Now in this section you need to choose a template. There are a whole bunch of templates here, and currently, as you're seeing, the ones that are being displayed are the ones that are the small square 200 by 200. I'm going to go with the standard 300 by 300 size. And I do not want to choose one of these templates. I just want to start off with a blank canvas. So what you would do is you'd scroll right at the bottom and then click Next. Okay, so now we have a blank canvas, and the first thing I'm going to do is add a background. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on this icon right here to add a background. And as soon as I click that, you'll see that it has some preset colors, but I'm going to click this plus sign to get the color palette, and then choose black. You can also use the code if you have the code right here. And next, what I'm going to do is use the same little icons here, this icon, to upload an image. And I'm going to upload an image from my computer. Click on Browse. I'm going to choose this one right here and then click Upload. And as you can see, it is right here on the canvas. I'm going to use these handles to drag it and reduce the size. As such, drag it, reduce the size, and place it where I want it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box by clicking this A. It's right here. Since it's black in color, I'm just going to highlight it and then click on the color, and again I'm going to choose white. And then what I like to do next is change the font by clicking this A right here and choosing Arial. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this text and say Animate Banner Ads. And then I'm just going to drag this here. It's too big, so I'm going to drag this handles, make it a little smaller, and there you go. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to just click on it and then click this copy button right here. As you can see, it duplicates it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change those words to just width and ellipse dot dot dot. I'm going to drag this and leave it here. And then finally, I'm going to upload another picture of the Ad Hero logo. Click Upload. Here it is. Same thing. I'm just going to drag the handles, make it smaller in size, and then drag it and place it right there. So this is the ad that I want to create. Now all I need to do is animate this. So in order to add these icons or elements on the canvas, you just essentially click on it. Simple. I'm going to click on this box and then click on this Animate Object button right here. And when I click on that, you'll have this drop down here. You can choose various types of animations. As you can see, fly from left, fly from right, and then up at the top you've got start time and delay. And also you'll notice that there is an exit stage. So what I'm going to do, just focus on the entry stage. I want this to fly from the left at 1 second in, and I'm just going to leave everything as default. Click OK. I'm just going to do a quick preview. as you can see, it's going to fly in from the left. So the same thing I'm going to do for the animate banner text right here. I'm going to click on it, click on animate this object, and then I'm going to leave this start time at the same time, so I want both those to come in together. And then I'm going to say fly from right and click OK. Same thing for this one here. Width, I click on it, animate this object. I'd like this one to come in at 2 seconds in, and I'd like it to fade in, and click OK. And then finally, the Add Hero logo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to animate that to pop out, this one right here, and then click OK. And then as I preview now, by clicking this preview button, you'll see how it animates. You'll have the first two that come in. Okay, as you can see, they're all coming in together. I'm going to say for this one, I'm going to change this to 3 seconds in. So this is what it's going to look like now. So you got the first two coming in, then width, and then add hero. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So hope that gives you a good idea as to how you can animate this. It's not too complicated, quite simple. You can obviously try different animations and try the exit. Also, you have different animation types here, so you can try that. What I'm going to show you next is how to embed a YouTube video in a banner ad. Okay, so before I show you how to embed a YouTube video in a banner ad, I'm just going to quickly show you how to save and publish an ad. So this specific ad that we have just created, down below right here you've got these three buttons: preview, publish, and save. If you click the save button, it's going to save the ad to your dashboard in a campaigns area. And once you're ready and happy with the ad, you can click the publish button. And when you do that, you'll have this dialog box that pops up. And as you can see right here, there's an embed code. You got a fixed code and a responsive code, and essentially just copy that code. Now before you can do that, also let me just show you this player settings tab. You can loop the animation if you want to, so it's just going to loop over and over again as it plays. And you can also use this download tab to download a JPEG image of the slide. And essentially you just click this copy button, copy the code, embed it in your website. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in a banner ad. So as I've shown you before, I'm starting off with a blank canvas, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little color to the blank canvas. This time I'm just going to choose maybe a blue, something like this. That's good enough. And then down below, as you can see, there's add image, as I showed you earlier, and there's also add or upload a video or audio. So I'm going to click this add video button, and then this dialog box pops up. It allows you to enter in this box the YouTube or Vimeo link of the video, or you can even upload one from your computer. And then down below here you can start and end the video at a specific time. So I'm just going to copy that link of my YouTube video trailer and click done. And as you can see, it puts it onto the canvas, and then you can drag the size to make it a little bigger as such. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more elements to the banner. So for example, I'm going to upload another picture, browse my computer, and that's my ugly picture, upload, and then just drag these handles to reduce the size, put it around there. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some text by clicking this button right here, and I'm going to change the font first, then the color to white. Okay, and then I'm going to change the text to read watch how to, and I'm going to reduce the size as such. Watch how to, then I'm going to clone this text box by clicking this copy icon on the left sidebar, and then going to change that to tutorials. Okay, and I'm going to change the size of that. Okay, tutorials. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this again by clicking this copy button, and this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to read AJ's YouTube channel. I'm going to change that color. Okay, so I decided to change the color to black. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to now just animate this. So this one right here, I'm going to click on it and then animate that coming from the left at 1 second in, and then I'm going to click this image of mine coming at 1 second as well from the right, and then this one, tutorials, I wanted to pop out, click OK, and this final one coming from the bottom. So this is how it's going to look like in the preview. As you can see, the video has already started playing, and that's how the banner looks like. I hope you found this demo video useful. Feel free to check this Ad Hero review on my YouTube channel, and if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers for now.